Process is with SEAT, so it started out that they gave us a kind of really open brief. Imagine a future urban mobility that is autonomous and that is integrated into the city. With the sketch model, you print out the dimensions in the scale you want to have the prototype. You take the measurements for the base, because the base you build out of hard form, and this hard form you just sculpt by hand in the more or less in the shape you want. And then because this hard form gonna be like covered in the clay which we use then to sculpt out the design. The transparent part then will be done later in fiberglass. I didn't find the design in the sketch model, so I used the clay model to design my vehicle, like to go and design it again. In the clay model, I did the final details I want because I had like the overall shape I had done in the 3D program. But then in the clay model, I finished the details because I had much more control having the actual prototype in front of me. Because it's always different to see it in a screen or to see it in real life. The real life model lets you see like the design in like a totally different perspective. You can walk around it. You can like look at it from angles here that you maybe wouldn't look at from in the digital model, in the sketch model. And you can touch it. That's also really important because you can like really feel the forms. The sketching is really important to set the stage for what you're gonna do next. Because if you, depending on what you find in the sketch, you later on will do. In the sketches, it's really important that you do a lot of them. So, and it's in the same in the clay model. Don't just put one idea there. Maybe if you like it, well, yeah, but try a different one because the clay is really easy to work. So you can like change it fast and put it again and so on.